Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to repeat animation sequences in PowerPoint. So first thing that you will do guys is just simply go ahead and go to your PowerPoint. Now here guys, just simply select one of the element that you would like to have an animation with. So I'm going to use this logo as an example and then go for the animations on the top. Now, here just simply select one of the animation that you would like to apply. So let's say I'm gonna go for a zoom. So let's say I'm gonna go for swivel over here. And now you could just simply go ahead and select this icon over here to show additional effects options. Now, from here, you will have timing on the second one. Now, here guys, as you can see, you will have here a repeat. So just simply select this drop down icon and you will have multiple options over here. You could go for 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, and you could go for until next click or until end of the slide. And after that, you could just simply go ahead and select OK once you are done. And you could just simply change the timing as well from this option right here. And that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. Thanks for watching.